Hello percussion players, and thank you so much for practicing. It is my sincere hope that this video will help you with the school song. There's a couple trick questions before we get started. The first one is an E natural. You might see it say E, or you might see a natural sign next to it. You might see the word natural. But that E natural happens one time in this school song, and it's the plain E. It is not this, it is this one. So you've got F, E natural, F. So when you get there, just a little word of caution. The next trick question, you've got some high notes in the last line. You've got A flat, B flat, C. So make sure you are up high. The next trick question, and I hope that you're already aware of this, you should be aware of this. You've got two different types of A's up high. You have a high A, you also have a high A flat. Those two things are not the same. So play me A flat, A flat. So notice there is a difference because the first three notes, B flat, A flat, do it. So those are your trick questions. The next part of the video, we're going to go through the song chunk by chunk. So perhaps next time you watch this video, you're going to skip ahead till the screen looks like this. We're going to start here and stop there. You can just listen or airplay or play out loud. Ready, set, go. Do it again. So repetition is going to be your key. The next chunk is the song. On you eagles, on to victory. So I would anchor on my B flat. On you eagles, move your anchor. On, right, left. Go slow and add speed. Box 5, here we go. Don't do it till you get it right. Do it till you can't get it wrong. The next chunk, the next part of the song, we will ever cheer you onward, on to victory. So notice F, E natural, F, G, E flat. So you got both kinds of E's in there. Don't be fooled. I'm going to set on my F and my E13. Here we go. You, rah, rah. Do that until it feels comfortable, until you're confident. And then maybe the next time you start the video, you'll make it, you'll just skip ahead till the screen looks like this. So we're starting at 21. On you eagles, fight on to your fame. 21. The last part, fight, eagles, fight to win this game. Do you see a flat sign, like A flat? That means all the A's are A flat. So if you need to, if it helps, mark the A flats. For right now, we're gonna just we're gonna play and we're gonna skip to number 2. So skip to the second ending, and I haven't put my tag there, just to remind myself. Okay. 29 is A flat, E flat. Got it. Ready, go. And you can add a double E at the end for funsies if you want to. Perhaps the next time you start the video then, you're going to play the whole thing. So, starting with the intro. At the top. Ready, go. Box 5. $13 on the F. $21 on the B. $29 A flat. Thank you for practicing, and please, if you watched this, drop me a note, tell me if it was helpful or what you would like to see differently. Thanks and have a great day.